In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assemblies on this Audi A4. They're going to be located at the back of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Inside the trunk, there's a little cap right here. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get under the cap. Just pull it down so you can access the bolt. Just using a straight blade screwdriver right in the center here. You can twist this out. Pull that bolt out. Just using a plastic trim tool, just get behind the taillight, and then we'll just pull it out. Pops right out. There's just a couple push pins on the back side. You can disconnect the connector right here, push down on the tab, or if you need to, use your straight blade screwdriver, rock the tab back, and disconnect it. There's the old one. On the back of the new light assembly, you can take the bulbs out. Just push on these two tabs. And this comes out. Sometimes these are test bulbs. You want to take the bulb, push down, slide it out. This is a P21W bulb. All four of these are the same. Then just slide the tabs in, twist to the right, and it locks in place. You can do the same procedure for the rest of them. Now take this board, line it up, push it in place, and click it in place. Now take the connector, line it up, push it in, and slide this in place. Push it in position, and take the screw, get that started. You're gonna have to push it just through the shielding. Snug that down and close the cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.